4.7. This deals with the quadratic formula. So negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. But this time, when we solve, we're going to get a negative square root, which is going to bring in an I. So if I had x squared plus 3x plus 10, in this case, a is 1, b is 3, and c is 10. So, negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 squared, which is 9, and then negative 4 times 1 times 10 is negative 40. So I put negative 40 in here, and I divide it by 2. Does everybody follow so far? Any questions about how I got that? Okay. That becomes negative 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 31 over 2. 31 is prime. But I can do something with this negative. It becomes an I. Where does the I go? Right in front. So the answer is negative 3 plus or minus I root 31 over 2. Okay, so this is the same quadratic formula that we worked on a couple days ago. And in this case, you have a chance of the square root being negative, which means you bring out an I. So what if I had 6 plus or minus the square root of negative 48 over 8? Well, what is 48? Simplified. That would be 4 and 12, 2 and 2, 3 and 4, 2 and 2. Can I bring anything out? I can bring out a set of 2's, another set of 2's, and a negative. So that simplifies to be 6 plus or minus. I bring out 2 times 2, which is 4, and then I, and then the square root of 3 over 8. Does everybody understand that? So it's just one step more than we have dealt with in the past. Can I simplify anything? All of those share a 2. So 3 plus or minus 2i root 3 over 4. So that will do 4.7, but you also have an assignment called 4.7 assignment, or I don't know, something like that. And that will give you a lot more practice on working with the quadratic formula. Some of those will have i's and some of them will not have i's. Okay, get to work.